Yan. Small one? Maliit lang kasi kahapon. Ito po kayo dito. What is enough from here? It's about 116. Nagkakot tayo ng linya. No problem. One is very strong. This is a very good. But are you cutting that way or are you cutting this way? Because that is tempted. Hindi naman siya kalwan, nagawa na lang ng kapag sa baba. Salamat sa pagpasok. And you take it and take it down. This one is not a very small section, so we can spend this file. What your generator? What's right? Block one.
And you know the bottom is like that. You can have a look at what's in the stand and on the base.
Nakaling ko rin yan. Magawa na lang ng panibagong. Oo, pwede mong ulitan na lang yan eh. Babaan mo na lang eh. Kahit hindi babaan yan, tayuan na lang ng panibagong ano yan eh. Panibagong. Kahit tanggalin mo na ito, wala naman itong ano eh. Baterya lang naman ito. Ito lagay lang ito ng ano eh. Yan. Kahit tanggalin na siguro ito. Yun na sabi nila eh. Ayaw niya maalis eh.